Everyone's terrified that AI is taking jobs, but what if the future of work is actually the first time the system finally works for us? I'm talking about a new kind of career, one where you're not stuck in an office, not fighting for your boss's approval, not masking just to survive 8 hours. It's project-based, flexible, creative, powered by AI, and for neurodivergent minds like ours, it might just be the best thing that ever happened. Hey, I'm Nichole. I help neurodivergent creatives thrive with AI, one calm tool at a time. If your brain doesn't fit the system, subscribe. I'll show you how AI can adapt to you. Okay, let's talk about how this AI work revolution could actually change everything. Everywhere you look, the headlines say the same thing. AI is replacing humans. Automation is killing jobs. Your career isn't safe. And trust me, I get it. It's scary. But here's the thing no one's really saying. AI isn't ending work. It's just changing what work looks like. Instead of one full-time boss telling you what to do for 40 hours a week, companies are starting to hire people project by project. You might design something for one brand this month, write copy for another the next, and build a strategy for a third, all while using AI to handle the boring parts. You're not tied to one company, you're a free agent, you get to build your own schedule, your own pace, your own mix of creativity, and honestly, that sounds like heaven for neurodivergent thinkers. I have to be real with you for a second. Traditional jobs were never built for my brain. Interviews, they're like some kind of weird logic game. They'll ask, if you were a tree, what kind of tree would you be? Or, tell me about a time you overcame adversity in a cross-functional dynamic. Like, what? I'm just trying to teach English, not solve riddles in a wizard's cave. And when I did land jobs, I always felt like I was walking on eggshells. I've had coworkers try to undermine me, question my abilities, even push me out, all while pretending to be helpful. That kind of environment drains you. It chips away at your confidence until you start to wonder if you're the problem. Then I found something that changed everything. Online ESL teaching, mostly for Chinese companies. The interviews were direct, no mind games. They literally told you the format ahead of time, the lesson outline, the expectations, no gotcha questions, just clarity. And once I started working, it was remote, flexible, and quiet. No office politics, no fluorescent lights buzzing in my head, just me, my students, and a clear goal. I thrived there. Even though it didn't pay much, it gave me something I hadn't felt in years, peace. And now, with AI changing how companies hire, we're seeing that same structure, but everywhere. Freelance projects, remote contracts, AI-assisted workflows that help you plan, write, design, organize, even manage your own business. It's not just about surviving a 9-to-5 anymore. It's about creating a portfolio life. You get to work on what interests you, rest when your brain needs it, and still build something meaningful. For neurodivergent people, this new model fits how we actually function: bursts of focus, deep creativity, and then recovery. It's not chaos, it's flow. So here's my take. The future of work isn't something to fear, it's something to shape. If you start building your skills now, learning how to use AI to research, organize, or automate, you'll be ready for this shift before most people even realize it's happening. Because the future isn't 9 to 5 anymore. It's project to project. It's passion to purpose. And for neurodivergent minds, that's freedom. If your brain doesn't fit the system, subscribe. I'll show you how AI can adapt to you. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.